We stayed down at that little cabin down there, which happened to be slave quarters. And then this is a big building where they do the bed and breakfast. We're about to get our breakfast this morning. It's so beautiful. This is breakfast time. Cosmos is really upset that he has to make decisions this early in the morning. Oh, look at all the doggies.
Cinnamon donuts and the best pork barbecue in the county.
Really? You think so?
I think it is.
Okay.
That was an original building. This is the side of the home. Little garden in the back. Little booty shorts. A little patio outside our cabin. And then this is the downstairs. It's got a kitchenette. Fridge for things. And then these are some extra beds. The finest lunch. Fanciest lunch. Got a slice of bread with hummus, avocado, parmesan, and prosciutto. So fancy. This was one of the fanciest shelters we've been to. We got horseshoe over there. There's a solar shower back yonder. Of course, it's got a privy. See, we got a separate dining area and a brick path.
Ooh, another thermometers as well.
And some thermometers. Wow. Doc, who was doing some trail maintenance, left some trail magic by his car. Gatorade and Simply chicken salad sandwich. For
I'm
this
so
lovely over here.
I'm so hungry.
I think you can pick it up, but that's the sound of cicadas. I've been hearing them a lot today. One flew in my hair. Been seeing the shells everywhere. Them flying around. They're pretty loud over here, the cicadas. We keep seeing a bunch of dead ones, but of course every time I decide to film, I don't see any. Oh, there's one. See him? Bunch of them. Very fitting for today. You can barely see it, but right there is an old shelter called Big Dick Stone.
It's just Dick Stone.
Ford thinks it's just Dick Stone, but I'm pretty sure it's Big Dick Stone, which I think is hilarious. Got some skeletons from the cicadas. Pretty cool. They're on like all the trees and plants and everything. Let's just get attacked by a million cicadas. I think they fly around more in the sunny areas. Or just where. Oh, there's one. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh, there's a billion. Some different scenery. You still can hear the cicadas in the background. These trees look cool. The glamorous life of a thru hiker. with these beautiful views and vistas. I'm in Swampy Land right before the roller coaster starts. So I got this beautiful fashion statement. How do I look? About to have the time of my life. About to entering the roller coaster, which is a series of PUDs, which means pointless up and downs. And I guess they're pretty rocky and pretty steep, and there's a lot of them, and there's no views. So, really looking forward to this, yay. Just made it to the second peak of the roller coaster so far. I'm having a great time, actually. Well, my feet don't hurt yet, so my feet don't hurt to do anything. And about to go downhill, so I'm gonna do this real fast. See ya. Been sitting here waiting for Forward and Booty Shorts to come meet me. I'm a half a mile before mile 1000, so we can cross it together because it's so exciting. But I must have sprinted up those mountains because I've been here for over 20 minutes. I still don't know where they are. Oh my frickin' goodness! Would you check that out? Oh my gosh. Look who just hiked 1,000 miles. Look who just hiked another 1,000 miles. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? Look who else just hiked 1,000 miles. I can't frickin' believe it. This is the second 1,000. People keep drawing it, get spray painted out, draw back in. I wonder if there's going to be a 3rd or 8th or 10th or 100th. Here's number 3. I think that's probably going to be it. The crew is separated, so you can't get a feet picked there. Very sad. Very distraught. Life update. Yesterday we planned to go almost 18 miles. We only did 15 because Ford wasn't feeling well and Booty Shorts had a big issue with his shin. It really hurt and it started getting red and swollen. And then this morning when he woke up, his ankle was swollen. And so we want to make sure it's okay, that it's not like an infection or anything. So we are going to a clinic, but we had to walk to Bear's Den Hostel run by the ATC. And it's really beautiful. So there wasn't a lot of shuttle options, but guess what? There's Uber. So we had an Uber right in here. Should be here in 5 minutes, but this place is so nice. Bye now. Hopefully it's okay. Hopefully it's okay.
My friend got that's all it is. Yeah, my friend got it. I mean, really, it is good. Yeah, man.
This place was so good. Bodie's alive. See another day. He just had a bug bite. Not to worry. Maybe it was a bug bite. But he's alive. She did, the doctor did prescribe him some antibiotics just in case. And we'll pick those up. We're now a day behind, so we need a day of food. And we're heading back to the trail. Come on, give me a kiss. Freak.